After visualizing the extraction, and if I see if the model is precise enough for me, and it is the case for my example, we can go directly to the extraction of the second model, which is the model of the low pass filter, and I'm gonna name it LPF, corresponding to low pass filter. And I'm gonna do the same. It's an S2P file for me again, so it's 2 ports, and I'm gonna go and search for my file. Okay, and I'm gonna of course start by a minimal number of pollen residues and continue to increase it as demanded or as needed, and then extract. The extraction is pretty fast, and we can visualize the results as we wish. It is also essential to mention that other than the console that appears at the end of the extraction, we can also visualize the comments here in the log section of the extraction.